Good day everyone. So I am Ronamel Estribas from BH82 students. And now we will compare and contrast the PIT simulation and CK12. I know you are familiar with PIT simulation and CK12. But first, we will discuss or define what is PIT simulation. PIT simulation is interactive online simulation that helps students learn science and math concepts. So this is the objectives of PIT simulation, to help more the student to understand a certain topic. While the CK12 is a non-profit organization that provides free educational materials for K-12 students. The organization was founded in 2007 by Nere Kusla and Murugan Pal. So this is the CK12. That the objective here is also to help the student to understand the topic of their subject. So now we will compare and contrast the PIT simulation and CK12. But first is the similarities. First is interactive learning. They are both interactive, the PIT simulation and CK12. They offer interactive experiences of the students to promote hands-on activities because through the simulation and through assessment and quizzes. Second one is free and web-based. That PIT simulation and CK12 is free. You will not pay to access it. It is accessible to all students and especially to the teacher. So this is a free-based that they are both that can access by the students and the teachers. So next is aligned with educational purpose. The PIT simulation and CK12 is having simulation. Their objective is aligned to the content standard of the learning objectives. That it can get what the needed or what the goal of the teacher to accomplish in the certain topic through the help of PIT simulation. The simulation is aligned to the content standard of the certain topic, the PIT simulation and CK12. So now we will proceed to the differences. So simulation, first is simulation based versus textbook based. The PIT simulation is focused in interactive simulation, having quizzes and assessment, but kunti lang. While the CK12 is more textbook, that having a lot of topics that the student will read in order to them to understand. But the PIT simulation is they are focuses in interactive simulation. Kunti lang yung mga assessment and quizzes niya. Second one is content scope. PIT simulation is a wide range of scope or the range of the science and mathematics certain topic because it covers the from primary to secondary and to college level, while the CK12 is the focuses only in the K-12, the grade 11 and grade 12. The topics in science and English or math is focuses in grade 11 and grade 12. So that is the differences between them. That the PIT simulation is widely ranged because from primary to secondary to college level, nakakover yung range na topic niya, while the CK12 is limited lang for grade 11 and grade 12. So third one is interactivity level. So PIT simulation is more interactive because a lot of manipulated variables, conduct experiments, and visualize complex concepts. Unlike for CK12, that it focuses in quizzes, assessment, reading comprehension of the students. So the PIT simulation is more interactive because it focuses in interactive simulation. That's why it, in terms of interactivity level, the PIT simulation is nangunguna, unlike for CK12 because it focuses in reading of the student in order to them to understand more about the certain topic. Fourth one, assessment and tracking. K-12 provide comprehensive assessment and tracking because CK12 is comprehensible because a lot of textbook, a lot of quizzes and assessment mga textbook in order the student to read, to comprehend the certain topic in order to them to deeper understanding the certain topic. Unlike for PET simulation, offer tools for interactive simulation lang. Meron siyang assessment and quizzes but limited lang because the PET simulation is more interactive simulation. So that the differences between the PET simulation and CK12. So when to use its resources or the website. First is PET simulation. Ideal for introducing complex concept, exploring abstract ideas. So PET simulation is used siya for abstract ideas, complex ideas, because the PET simulation is focuses in interactive simulation of a certain topic. And this PET simulation, if having mga problem solving skill, for example, the density, the physics, that having calculation. So PET simulation is more uses in that situation. So how about the CK12? So CK12 is suitable for providing comprehensive. So meaning to say that if the student is need to learn in the concept of the ideas of a certain topic, they will go to the CK12 because a lot of textbook na they will read and read in order to them to comprehend that certain topic in order to assess them and to have more deeper understanding of their lesson or topics in their curriculum or in their topic in the quarter or in the college level is the semester. So in conclusion, by understanding PET simulation and CK12, if we lead to effectively integrate them because through understanding their differences and similarities, we can use them in appropriate way kung saan yung gagamitin yung PET simulation at kailan din gagamitin yung CK12. So that is the important conclusion. But remember that PET simulation and CK12 is helpful for us to understand the certain topics, complex ideas, to more deeper understanding. So I hope you learned something in this our video. And thank you and God bless everyone.